So here we got the new MacBook Pro 16 in the higher tier variant. We got the 16-inch 8-core i9, not the highest one, 16 gig RAM, 1 terabyte SSD, and a Radeon Pro 5500M. So here we got nice pull tabs. To remove the plastic. The laptop itself in space gray. USB-C cable. New gray stickers. Very short. Now it is not wrapped anymore in plastic, but it feels like paper. And it has now, should be 90 watts. Yeah. And that's it. The first boot. Here it is.
Drücke die Eingabetaste, um Deutsch als Standardsprache zu verwenden.
We still got the same port, 2 Thunderbolt on the right side with a headset port, and only the 2 Thunderbolt on the left side. All 4 can be used to power the device. Now nothing on the back other than a little design by Apple. And still the glossy logo. So how is the new key? Big trackpad, new speakers, escape key, and dedicated button for the Touch ID.